Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. There has been a single transaction on Terra Classic. Over 23.5 billion coins of Terra Classic coin have been purchased in a single transaction. This is amazing to see just a single transaction, 23.5 billion coins. Even though Terra Classic has been dropping massively, maybe I believe that something is really pushing Terra Classic up, because already over 8% price increase after hitting a massive fall, and now we actually see a single transaction purchasing Terra Classic worth of over 23.5 billion coins of Terra Classic. This is a good sign. This is a good thing for Terra Classic coin. Yes, I love this because this shows that people are still telling you that we still believe on Terra Classic, we still have hope on Terra Classic, and this will definitely motivate some people to start buying this coin back. We want to see Terra Classic coin being bought. We want to see Terra Classic coin start trading with a high trading volume, because right now so many people actually sold off their Terra Classic coin. But with 23.5 billion coins being purchased in just a single transaction, you keep asking yourself, why would someone just buy this number of coins? I mean, a coin that is actually been dropping. Okay, and I believe with the price increase today, you also saw that a lot of people started rushing back to Terra Classic to buy this coin, because this coin have really dropped. So buying it at the very lowest price will definitely give you more profit by the time Terra Classic start rising back, start popping back. And I'm happy to see LUNC have already started that journey of recovering, that journey of coming back to where it is, that journey of trying to pump back. This will help Terra Classic coin before the end of this month. At least over 30% of Terra Classic holders will have also be planning to actually sell off their Terra Classic coin within the past 24 hours. At least that number have really reduced, because after seeing Terra Classic impress today, some people already changed their mind of selling off their Terra Classic. And I believe these coins still have a better things to offer within the nearest future. Let's hope for the best, and I wish Terra Classic coin all the best in the nearest future. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button, like our video, and please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.